G'day. This method of making a chili sauce is so easy that I don't even follow a recipe. Let's get into it. A couple of nice lemons. That one. Yeah. They look good, don't they? Yeah, that should do. Give all these a good wash. Chop all these things up. I just want the juice out of these lemons. So that's the jar, I'll just squeeze that. Right, blitzeronied, put it in the pot. I mean, that's a nice sauce as it is. Beautiful. Just a good squeeze. The lemon will also help to preserve, but I really want it in there for the flavour. The cooking salt. Brown sugar. Back that in the stove. Don't be afraid to simmer this for quite a while. At the moment it's been going about 15 minutes and you can see it's starting to slowly bubble away, but don't boil the heck out of it. You want to just simmer it like a pasta sauce that breaks down the tomato, breaks down the chili, the garlic, it cooks the garlic properly and the onion, gets that raw taste out of it. And of course if you wanted to add extra flavour, you could smoke this beforehand, before you blitzed it, or you could charcoal grill them before you blitzed it down, and all those types of things. But this is one of the simplest and easiest ways to make a sauce. Simmer it down, thicken it as well, because sometimes you have quite a bit of liquid in. Unless you want to make a Tabasco sauce, which I don't, you want it fairly a decent thickness. So this has been going for an hour now, and the consistency is, it's still a little bit weak. Still I just want to reduce it down a little bit more. But probably the most important thing is the taste. So after an hour, we don't want to taste it right away because it hadn't cooked or anything. Yeah, the garlic has got rid of the rawness. It's not overpowering, it's quite nice. Can't taste much of the ginger, maybe just a hint, which is perfect. It's nicely seasoned. It doesn't sit, it's not like too salty, like I go, this is seawater. And I can't really taste much sugar, but it means it's balanced it out. I don't think I need to add anything more to this. Sometimes, depending on the consistency, I would add a little bit more sugar. I was expecting maybe to add a bit of extra sugar because it was too tart, or even to bring down the heat a little bit. A little hint of lemon, not much vinegar. You know, it's really nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm not going to add anything extra to it, except I just want to reduce it down a little bit more. Then we can sift it out. I'm not going to use too fine of a sieve, but we'll get to that soon. Alright, so that's been going for an hour and a half, and I think that's reduced down enough. I'm happy with that. Just drain it through like that. bottom parts. Keep mixing it up as you're going so that you've got an even mix and you've not got a sludge on the bottom for the last bottle. Fill them right up. Lid on. There we go, and that is unreal. Look at that. That is a really nice sauce. Now what we'll do is we'll leave this rest. I reckon leave it for a week just to mature, and well, this might just start eating it straight away. But these would be best left for about a week before using. I think chili sauce, if you're testing it, the best way to test it is with some buttered bread like this. Some buttered bread, some plain cheese, and you can really see if it stimulates those flavours. You can have it with other complicated things, that's fine, but for testing purposes, I really like just using bread and butter and just the cheese. So let's get some out. Oh, look at it. The consistency is really excellent. Really excellent. Let's go 3 teaspoons. Dip the cheese in, roll it in, squeeze fingers, really get a good scoop on there. It really does enhance the flavour of the cheese. Let's do it with a little bit of buttered bread. This is probably better. Soak it in the bread. I'm not describing it just yet. I'm too busy enjoying it. Heat-wise, there's a slightly nasty sting after a little bit, but it goes away real quickly. This is nice. It's like enough hurt to make it really interesting, but not so much that you're like, where's the milk or where's a glass of water? It's got the complexity that I wanted. It's not just hot chili. It's got a good seasoning. It's got that lemon, that ginger, a good combination with the garlic. Yeah, very nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this method, not a recipe, of making chili sauce. You can apply this to just about anything. You can make a tomato sauce, any sauces. You can add or remove the ingredients that I had. You can do whatever you want. You can use special herbs, experiment. Usually 9 times out of 10, I will experiment and it'll work out to be actually very nice. Throw whatever in. Just be a little careful about adding salt, vinegar and sugar. Add a little bit at the beginning just to test things, and then add as you go, because once you add, you can't remove it. So that's the only major tip I can give. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.